Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up Filmora, so let's get right into it. Now, to set it up, all you need to do is download the installer from the site. You can buy a license immediately so that you can use it with Filmora. However, you can't use Filmora without a license. You'll just be locked out of certain functionalities. But once you're here, you can click either get started for free or download. So I'm just going to go into download. And that is going to ask me to save the installer. I already saved it, so there we go. And now we have the setup, so you can just double click it over here, and that's going to run the setup. Now I've already installed Filmora, so there is no reason for me to install it again. Not even sure if the installer is going to launch. There we go. It is launched, and it does ask me to install. You need to agree to the privacy policy and license agreement. You can click here to change the installation settings, or in other words, where it is going to install. And once you change the installation directory, you just click install, and Filmora is going to install on your device. Once it's done, it'll give you the option to immediately launch it. You don't need to launch it immediately, but once you install it, it'll be on your desktop in the form of a shortcut. And once you double click it, you can then start using Filmora. It's going to show you a short tutorial using this user guide video where you can add an effect onto this video, and other than that, there's really nothing else to it. It is very simple, very intuitive. Filmora is a very useful and beginner friendly software to use for editing videos, and yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. As I mentioned, you can log in here in the top right, and if you've bought a subscription, you can enter the license key there, and you can start using Filmora Premium, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.